simpler fix than I thought it was going to be. I did pick up a pretty cheap regulator. It's not the greatest. The readout on it pretty much sucks, but you can see. There, I turned it off. Now it climbs back to where it's actually sitting at. So, but we have flame. So let me walk you guys through what I did. It's built kind of the same as the King of Randoms. 3H valve, or 3/8 valve, 3/8 steel nipple, and then I don't know if you guys can see down in there, I have a 3/8 cap, and I actually have all the set screws set right behind the cap, and then the cap has a MIG tip drilled into it, wire feed welding tip drilled into it. I couldn't find a solid piece 9 inches of 3/4 inch pipe, but this is let's see if I didn't grind it off. It's a 1 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch reducer, 3-inch piece of 3/4 inch pipe, a connector, this is just 3/4 to 3/4, and a 6-inch piece of 3/4 inch pipe, and then a 3/4 inch flare fitting to 1 1/4 inch. So same as the reducer on the opposite end. You don't have to set it up this way to this way, it's just what's going to work better when I put it into my forge. So the only things that I have left to do are I got to get a paddle bit, and I'm going to have to drill out this smaller hole that I made and make that big enough to fit the, it's a little warm right there, big enough to fit the 3/4 inch pipe in there, and then hopefully it'll be coming at the right angle where I'll get a nice swirl in the middle of my forge. The forge is just refractory cement. I'm going to cut this. You can see this lip it's got here. I'm going to cut all that off once I get ready to start rocking, and then I just got to find a brick or something I can put in front of it to kind of keep the heat in where I need it and not just rolling out that hole. Yeah, other than that, just a quick update on what I've got going on. I'm going to go inside now because I believe the wife made dinner. So, hit the like video, post a comment. I'm going to try to turn this around. Hit the like video, post a comment, do all those kinds of things. You got any tips, tricks, something you want to see me do for my first project or something like that, let me know. I'll be trying lots of stuff. I don't quite have an anvil yet. I don't think I showed you guys my anvil in the last video. So I've got this old hammerhead that I've cleaned up quite a bit, and I'll be taking that over to, I'll finish cleaning it up along here, but I'm going to take it over to a buddy of mine's house and weld it to a steel plate that I'll then fit onto these boards that I've made. My vise isn't mounted because I can't find my saw. So once that gets mounted, I'll show you guys that too, and look forward to posting more videos and doing more stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.